Guys, welcome back to the video. So as you can see, our account is good to go. After the verification, you can see that our account is good to go. So few more setups that we need to do. You still need to go back to tools and then click on the account setup again. And once you do that, you'll be brought to this page. The next thing is to verify your business right here. Just click on where it says view and it will take you directly to the verification page, right? I've already filled in this information. It's currently in review. So you have the option to verify your business or verify your individual account, right? So just go ahead and choose whatever. If it is a business, it means that you need to have some registration documents that you are going to verify the business with. If it is your individual details, you just fill in those details right here. And then you go ahead and click on submit. Once it's verified, your account is verified, you'll be notified about that. Important thing you need to do, if you go to the menu, your profile icon or so at the top left, you'll see this box will pop up and then you see where it says business center. Right. There's need for you to link up your ads manager account with your business, the TikTok business center option. So go ahead and click on it. I've already done this. But if you have not done that, you see that we have created a business already. Once you are brought to this page, you will see where it says create new, or it will just automatically give you a dialog, but just go ahead and fill in the information if there's anything that's not correct. Okay, you just create the new business option and then you just fill in this information. If you're an advertiser, we are going to select that. If you are doing that for somebody, just fill in all of this information and click on confirm, and your business account will be created. Now, because you are doing it from the ad manager account directly, everything will now sync with the ad manager account, right? For instance, if I click on the ones I created and I come in here, I can now start building a team. I can add people, I can add payment, set up payment details, I can create ads from here, all of these details. As we progress, you will see how these work hand in hand. All right. So if I now come down here to users, if I want people to manage my ad, on my behalf and all of that, I can go ahead and add them right here. As you can see, it is this account that is just the admin of this particular business. So if I go ahead and click on add members, it means I can add other people and then give them roles. If they are going to be admins, if they are going to be finance manager, finance analyst, you can see the description. Admins have full access. Then standard members can only work on account they have been assigned to and all of that, right? So this is where you can do all of that. And you can equally use this business center option to schedule posts, do a lot of things, even link up your payment methods, right? If I come to payment management, we can link up our payment methods right here. Remember that we're using the manual option, so we can add our balance here and everything will sync up, will link up, all right? Because the account is already linked. You can see down here, right? So we can manage everything right here. And then on the ad manager option, if I go to dashboard, that's where we can now start creating ads and doing a lot of things, right? So as we progress, you'll see how all of this work hand in hand, right? So hopefully before the next video, your account would have been approved, everything would have been working perfectly well, and then we can go ahead and start setting up our account. And I've showed you how to link up your phone number, right? So if you click on this verify phone number option and it doesn't work, it doesn't give you the option to add your phone number. Let that load up. Let me show you. Yeah, if you don't have the option to add your phone number right here, another thing you can do is if you come to the account setup option right here, when you go to user setting, so once you click on the user setting option, it brings you to this page. And once it brings you to this page, this is the option to add phone number. You can link up. I've showed you this before. So you add your phone number here, link up your TikTok account, and you are good to go, right? As you can see, there's a link of your TikTok account for more features and the rest. So we can go ahead. I have a TikTok account already. I can just go ahead, and the TikTok account is linked. It's already signed into this browser, right? So first we'll send a code for verification, and we'll go to our email to get that code. So this is the code. Go ahead and copy the code Copy the code, paste it right here, and click on confirm. Then this will open up. We already logged into our TikTok account. You can see on our browser here. So just give it full access and then click on the continue button. The account has been linked, and now we need to authorize this account now. Okay, we have to authorize this account to have access so that we can access more advertising features, as you can see here, for such as native ads. So go ahead and click on authorize, and that will bring up this dialog box again. So go ahead. If you want to switch the account, you can do that. Just go ahead and click on continue. Account is linked. That's all, right? I think we are done with every setup we need to do. Just waiting for this verification to go through. Once this one goes through, this takes less than, like, the first one that is supposed to take up to 2 business days, it took less than an hour or thereabout, and I got an email congratulating me for that. So hopefully this one will be verified anytime soon. And then the next thing is just to start running ads and start pushing our products or whatever we want to promote online. I'll see you guys in the next video.